How does a zipper work? Hi, welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Hey, do you wear anything that has a zipper? Maybe a jacket or a raincoat or maybe some pants? What sound does a zipper make? Zip. Anytime I see a zipper, I am always amazed by it. It looks so complicated. You pull it up and it connects two things. You pull it down and they disconnect. How does it all work? Let's find out in today's episode. If you could zoom in on a zipper, you'd see that it's made of two long rows of little metal or plastic teeth. Each tiny tooth has a hook on one side and a hollow space on the other. When you zip something up, these hooks and hollows fit together like little puzzle pieces. But how do they fit so perfectly together? That's the job of something called the slider. The slider is the part you pull up and down, the little metal or plastic tab you hold between your fingers. Zip, zip. Inside the slider is a special wedge-shaped channel. When you pull the slider upward, the wedge pushes the teeth from both sides together to get just the right angle, locking each hook into its matching hollow, just like puzzle pieces. Then when you pull the slider back down, it separates them again by guiding the teeth away from each other. Kind of like a traffic director saying, "You go left, you go right." Zippers are actually a pretty brilliant example of what engineers call interlocking mechanisms. Things that connect using shapes, not glue or magnets. Each zipper has to be made exactly right so the teeth line up and lock together smoothly. If just one tooth is bent or out of place, the zipper can get stuck or break apart. That's why you might sometimes find a zipper that won't close properly. It's like one piece of the puzzle doesn't fit anymore and it kind of ruins the whole thing. See, once the zipper is off its track, it's hard to get it back on. Now, different kinds of zippers are used for different things. Metal zippers are strong and used on jeans or coats, while plastic ones are lighter and they're great for bags or rain jackets. There are even watertight zippers that keep out water for diving suits or tents. The idea of the zipper has been around for more than 100 years. Early inventors tried lots of different designs before finding one that worked smoothly and didn't fall apart. And even though we have buttons, Velcros, and snaps, the zipper remains one of the simplest, smartest ways to connect two things together fast. It's just so easy. It's way easier than using buttons, that's for sure. So next time you zip up your coat or backpack, think about all those tiny little hooks and hollows working together in perfect order. Zip. Now, why do you think it's called a zipper? Right, it's kind of like an onomatopoeia. Zip is the sound it makes. Zip. It first appeared around 1923 when a company started selling boots and tobacco pouches that used the new invention. Before that, it was just called a separable fastener. That's not very catchy. I think zipper is way better. Okay, let's have a quick quiz. What part of the zipper do you pull up and down? That little tab you put between your fingers is called the slider. What are the little pieces that lock together called? Those are the teeth. And then what is the shape inside the slider that helps connect the teeth? What's that thing called? That is called the wedge. That brings the teeth together and pulls them back apart. Let's play true or false. True or false? Zippers use glue to stay closed. False. They use interlocking teeth. True or false? If one tooth bends, the zipper might stop working. That is true. True or false? All zippers are made of metal. False. Some are made of plastic. You probably have plastic zippers around your house somewhere. True or false? The word zipper comes from the sound it makes. Zip. That is true. Would you rather have a backpack that zips itself or shoes that tie themselves? Well, I definitely wear shoes more than I wear a backpack, so I think it would be more handy for me personally to have shoes that tie themselves. All right, let's see how well we know zippers. I'm going to name an item and you tell me if it has a zipper or not, okay? Are you ready? How about a winter jacket? Oh yeah, most have zippers down the front. What about a pillow? No. Maybe a pillowcase, but not the pillow itself. What about a tent? Oh yeah, the whole point of a tent is that it has a zipper that keeps bugs and rain out. What about a baseball cap? Nope. Though sometimes they have snaps or Velcro. What about a sleeping bag? Yep, you zip it up to stay cozy and warm. How many things do you have that have a zipper? Well, now you know how they work. The zipper is one of the greatest inventions we have because, well, it's just so simple that you don't even think about it. Zip! What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And for all the grown-ups listening, don't forget that the Curious Kids Club launches in just a few days on November 1st. Go to supportcuriouskids.com for more information. And please visit CuriousKidsEveryday.com to get a free printable with activity ideas that don't involve screens. Those are the best kinds of adventures to have. That's CuriousKidsEveryday.com. See you tomorrow.